Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe if you like the content. I did predict what the stock would do yesterday. If you don't believe me, check it out. And we pretty much called every day. So yeah, maybe I can predict today too. So we'll see. I mean tomorrow. But anyway, we got Wall Street bets right here, and old J-Pal. Some of you will suffer, but that's a sacrifice I'm willing to make. Pretty awesome, huh? Really nothing to look at on the gains. The losses are what we're here for anyway, right? Old boy had to repo his daughter's Barbie. Buy more Tesla stock, dude. Crazy. Poor girl. At least he ratcheted it down good. I didn't think it was going nowhere myself. Elon tweeting about Starlink. And then we got Louisiana dealers not too happy with Tesla. So yeah, let's see. Tesla is suing the LADA. So yeah, hopefully Tesla will win this, because if not, I mean, that kind of messes up the whole business model, right? Like if the semi trucks are gonna deliver to, I mean, if the cars are gonna load themselves on the self-driving semis, and the semis will deliver the cars close, and the cars will go straight to you. I mean, that kind of messes up the whole autonomous part of it. But you know, is what it is. Tesla's just ahead of its time, and you know, when that happens, people push back on it. And then Tesla is facing unprecedented demand. That is pretty crazy, and we've been looking at Google Trends, and it's been going up here lately too, so pretty awesome. Tesla's order rate surging to record highs in the US, and they stopped taking orders on some versions of the vehicles. So wow, it's hard to imagine like some companies being like, nah, we can't even take no more because we're too paid. Pretty crazy. And then Tesla is down 0.75% today to 275 during regular hours, and now we're down to 272.81. So not so good, not so good. And then P ratios at 100, while S&P is down 0.8%. NASDAQ down 0.5. So Tesla leading the way down. Google Trends coming up. Fear and greed down a little bit from yesterday on the S&P. Here we have daily, Tesla on the daily. And here's all our TA we did yesterday. Check it out. So we got these Fibonacci's if you go from high to low right here, and we're right here at 269. Hell of a number that it bounced off of, so probably test 292 before we break down past 260. And that's just looking at the Fibonacci's, no other TA done, so we'll check that out in a second. And then we also have a head and shoulder potential on Tesla if it holds it up right here. We'll take all this crazy stuff off. I know it's kind of hard to look at. And then check out our higher time frames. Start with the monthly. And actually we'll check out like the 3-month. So we'll start then. It's 12 months high as it goes that I'm aware of, and straight green Hakanashis. And when you have green Hakanashis, the trend is to the upside, so trend is up, which is good. And then 11-month RSI is at 80, which is bad, not gonna lie. So in the future, your long-term time frames do hold the most weight. So Yeah, we'll have to see how it plays out, but it didn't do you much good right here saying it was about to top out. So keep that in mind. 6-month red Hakanashi. Last time we got that was right here, pretty much the bottom, and then we got it right here. And you know, even if you would have got this one, it's a pretty good entry long term. And here we have Tesla put in a bottom on the 5-month time frame at about 60 on the RSI, and right now we're at 70. So, and this is when times were bad. So let's say, you know, it does go down to maybe 60, probably get picked up around 170. That's worst case scenario though. I don't think that's going to happen, but something to keep in mind. Keep you cautious, keep you awake at night. And then we do have a 3-month red dot, 2 red Hakanashis, trends down. Last time we got 2 in a row. Is pretty much it right here. Pretty much the bottom. Pretty much the bottom did get all-time highs, and then if you'd have bought the second red Hakanashi right here, you'd have pretty much got the bottom. So, is it the bottom? I sure hope so. And then we got the 2-month. We can see a little bit better. Last time we had 3 Hakanashis right here. Pretty good entry. 3 Hakanashis went to all-time high. 3 all-time high. 3 all-time high. 3. Yep. We did get a 4th one, but yeah. If you'd have got the 3rd one, it wouldn't have affected you on the last one. So looking good on that. Here we have the monthly. Got a green Hakanashi, and you get a monthly green. It's pretty good. Pretty good, as you can see. It stays green. Three-week green dot, but without the RSI. We've been looking at this, hoping it'll turn it around. As long as this is still green, there's plenty of hopium left in the air. And let's see, did lose the 2-week RSI. That's pretty bad, but losing it at 47 on the RSI, we can go back and look last time that happened. It's about right here. Lost it, went way down. That put, we ain't even gonna go there. And we do have this obvious trend line coming down on the weekly. I'll go ahead and show it again. So we got this guy coming down, and we got this guy coming up from the bottom. So bad news is patterns usually like to go until they're 75% complete, and that would put us going sideways until June of 23. But don't think that will happen either. And then again on the weekly, we have a potential hodl your short signal. Well, not a good one. Usually when it hits right at the EMAs right here, it's a good hodl your short signal. But yeah, not looking good on the weekly. The 4-day, this is kind of what I was talking about on the weekly. If it does put it down right here, not the best signal. You really want it to hit the EMAs, then reject. That's your best signal. Then on the 3-day, not looking good. The daily did come down to 40 on the RSI. So usually when we come down to 40 on the RSI, like right here, does bounce a little bit. Let's see, last time we got down here, yeah, right here, did come back up. So yeah, there's plenty of good stuff to maybe pop it back up for us. And on the daily, yeah, I don't know. Really nothing happening on the daily. Six-hour volatility is at extremes still, so, and we did have a pretty good down move from the top, so if we take it 14% down without a pump, so I'd say we're pretty due for a pump. Pretty due. Alright, we got a fresh 3-hour green dot with volatility at a 0. So looking at this, I do think it's pretty safe to say that coming into tomorrow might pop it up to 287. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. Just telling you guys what I think. Two-hour looking good too. And also on this indicator, if we break above this CMA, kind of like a breakout out of the pattern of this guy. So it should run up to, like we were saying, about 280 tomorrow. $30-minute looking good. 20-minute maybe coming down. So, yeah, this is kind of hard to call this one, but looking at the 3-hour, I'll have to go on the side of it and say we pull back up right here. And hopefully that transfers into the 6-hour and then into the 12. And we pop her back up to 295. So we'll see. All right, now we'll check out NASDAQ. NASDAQ, the daily 34 EMA. Usually where stuff likes to pop back up. NASDAQ also has the 3-hour. And let's check out the S&P. S&P got a 2-hour red dot. Not good. So SPY looking like it's bouncing off this 3-day 200. We can go back and look at the past, what it does. Really nothing there. Did bounce it right here. So yeah, hopefully the pain's over with. I think people kind of overreacted to the JPOW stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys tomorrow.